Reflection from plane surfaces. Plane mirror is a thin, flat, and smooth sheet of glass having a shining coating of silver metal on one side. The silver coating is protected by a red paint. Meaning of important terms are as follows to understand the figure. Incident ray. The ray of light which falls on the mirror surface is called the incident ray. Point of incidence. The point at which the incident ray falls on the mirror is called the point of incidence. Reflected ray. The ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is called the reflected ray. Normal. The normal is a line at right angle to the mirror surface at the point of incidence. It is a line which is perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence. Lateral inversion. When an object is placed in front of a plane mirror, then the right side of the object appears to become the left side of image, and the left side of the object appears to become the right side of image. This change of sides of an object and its mirror image is called lateral inversion. Characteristics of an image formed by a plane mirror. The image formed is virtual. It cannot be received on a screen. The image formed is erect. The size of the image is as of the object. The image formed by the plane mirror is at the same distance behind the mirror. The image formed is laterally inverted, sideways reversed. Uses of plane mirror. They are used to see ourselves. They are fixed on the inside wall of certain shops like jeweler's shop to make them look bigger. Plane mirrors are used in making periscopes. They are used at blind turns of busy roads to prevent accidents. Plane mirrors are used as looking glass. They are used in solar cookers. They are used to make kaleidoscope, a toy which produces beautiful patterns from colored paper, pieces of glass, or small colored beads.